So, good afternoon everyone. Ito yung kung paano ka mag-fill up. So, first is, ilagay natin yung personal information mo. So, yung pangalan mo, yung surname, at ito lang guys is yung example. Okay, surname, Dalisa, example lang to ha. First name, Cardo, then middle name, etc. So, guys, kailangan yung lagyan ng MA kung wala naman kayong ilalagay. Just for example dito is extension sa iyong first name or kaya extension name. So, wala namang extension name sa kanya. So, lagay na lang natin ng MA. Then is click check if you are a Filipino. Then this one, wag po natin kalimutan kung saan tayo nanggaling. Is from the Philippines. Date of birth, lagyan po natin. Place of birth, itong lahat na ito ay isang halimbawa lang. Sex, male and female. Civil, if you are widow, lagyan na lang natin ng single. Okay. Height, ilagay nyo po dito. And if you don't have QSIS ID number, lagyan po natin ng MA, pag-ibig, help. If wala po kayo nito, then put MA. Huwag nyo po i-next tulad ng ganyan sa GSIS. Kapag wala po kayong nilagay, is papaulitin din po kayo nito at ipapalagay yung NA. So, it's better nilagyan na po ninyo ng NA. So, residential address, lagay niyo po kung block, street, subdivision, and this is one of my examples. So, subdivision, block dos, barangay, santol, Torquis, or Baldanor. So, of course, guys, yung zip code, sabihin na lang natin is 8319. Yan yung example ng zip code. So, 8319. Example lang yan ha. If you have a telephone number, then you can put, but kung wala naman is lagyan na lang po natin ng MA. So next is the mobile number. Dapat active kasi dyan sila nag-text sa iyo. Then yung email address dapat ganito at masyadong parang malaki lang yung font sa okay. So parang bumabalik sa okay na yan. Basta importante is my email address. The next is the family background. So, kung wala kang asawa, then put NA. Name of children, NA, date of birth, NA. Huwag nyo na lang pong lahatin dahil parang naka-NA na po siya sa spouse. Then, father's name, lagay nyo lang po dito, lagay sa Yuan. So, mother's maiden name, kapag sinabi natin maiden name, ito yung pagkadalatan. So, ilagay na natin. Example lang ito ha. Petra, Emma, Delma. So, dito tayo sa educational background. So, lagay nyo lang po name of school, basic education course, or degree from 2, kailangan if highest unit level unit earn. Kapag wala naman, is put an A. Do not put blank ha. Then, you graduated and scholarship or honor ka ba? Then, if wala naman, put an A. Huwag itong lalagyan ng blanco lang. It is really important na lagyan po natin ng NA kung hindi po tayo o wala po tayo. Then, at the end is, you can put the signature. Pag-print ko po nito, then dun po kayo mag-signature. Huwag nyo pong lagyan ng e-signature. Kundi, parang ikaw po ang mag-signature talaga dito kapag mag-print ko. Then, lagay nyo lang yung date ninyo today. So, next is, dito tayo sa pangalawa. Then, ito, dahil mga let passer tayo or mga issues, may licensure examination tayo for issues. So, lagay ko na po dito. Yung rating natin, yung examination, date of examination, place, number ng ating license, at date of validity. So, example lang yan. Okay. So, next naman, ito yung work experience. So, if you are the LSD or kaya mga volunteer teacher, pwede po natin yung ilagay. So, example, no, dapat start from your recent work. Huwag po natin lagay dito na 2023 to 2025. So, baba na yung 2025. Instead of, mag-start po tayo sa present. Okay, 2025 to present, the decision, ano ka ba, is local school board teacher from Eastern Elementary School. Monthly salary is 10,000 and a contractual at 100. So, example lang ha, if ang ilalagay mo dito is volunteer teacher at dito mo naman sa baba is local school board teacher, hindi po pwede yun. So, kailangan same dapat sila dahil parehas lang yung volunteer teacher at LSP. Okay? So, ito po yung isang halimbawa. So, 2024, 2025, 2025 to present. So, dapat start from your recent. Okay. At the end, lagay po natin yung signature natin and then yung date natin for today. So, next naman ay yung voluntary organization. Kapag may voluntary organization kang involved ka doon, then pwede mo po ilagay dito, then from to number of hours and position. Pwede po. Pero kung wala naman, you can put blank na lang. Huwag na po natin ilagyan ng NA. Okay, so next naman ay ang mga trainings. Trainings, lagay po natin kung anong mga pangalan ng trainings. Example is MSET. MSET, then lagay po natin anong title ng MSET ninyo. From to number of hours, type of lead, DepEd, lagay ng dami. Wait lang. Lagay po natin conducted and sponsored by DepEd. Pwede po natin lagyan. And after dito, pwede po natin lagyan ng answer. Yes! Kuya, silong na si Za. Hoy, nagkuhan ako na name mo kuhan? Na robot? Okay, maghimo ka. Pas. After this one is your special skills and hobbies. Lalagay po natin sa other information and academic distinction or recognition, and then membership or association or organization. If wala naman kayo nito, then you can put blank. Huwag na po ninyo lagyan ng NA. So, signature sa last, then date. Yung date, pwede nyo pong i-type. Huwag na po ninyong lagyan ng parang isusulat lang. I-type nyo na lang po. So, next is, dito na tayo sa pinaka-last. Lagyan po natin lahat ng no dahil wala naman po tayong criminal before. And of course, wala po tayong mga criminal case. The next is, ilagay po natin yung mga references. Just for example, if you are nag-educate po kayo, then pwede nyo po ilagay yung pangalan ng inyong advisor. Pwede po yun, or kaya yung mga pangalan na so, dito sa references natin, lagay po natin yung name. Example, no, nag-OTP ka, syempre may parang may advisor ka, may nag-teacher ka. Pwede nyo pong ilagay doon. Of course, yung address, yung telephone number, pwede rin po. Yung mga principal niyo, nung kayo ay naging palagay dito. So, ID picture, kailangan kong naka-passport size, naka-civil service. Ito po ay dapat may signature at nakasulat ang pangalan. So, here is the government issue, PRC ninyo, license or passport, date or place of Thailand, ito kinuha ninyo ng inyong ID. The next is the signature and the date of accomplishment and your lifetime. After this, pwede na po ninyong i-panotaryo. And that would be all. Sana inilip ko po kayo.